Hello my beautiful badgers, Messicoda back again with another live dev interview. We've got a series of over 3 months worth of interviews taken from all the Twitch.tv/the Messicoda. In this video we're joined by the incredible Kevin Iglesias, who makes amazing animations over on the Unity Asset Store. Is Kevin a relationship of Julio and Enrique? Well, he's got the singing chops to prove it. Sit back and join us here all in a second.
Niño Dios de amor herido, tan presto os enamoráis, que apenas habéis nacido, cuando de amores lloráis, cuando de amores lloráis.
Everybody sitting at home, around the world, in front of your Google Watches, your Alexa microwave PCs of the future, give a warm and animated messy welcome to possibly a relation of Julio and Enrique. It's Kevin Iglesias, Kev Dev, all the way from Spain. Welcome, buddy.
Hi there. Thank you for the intro, and thank you for having me.
So are the rumors true? Are you related to Julio Iglesias?
No, I'm not. It's a common surname here, Iglesias in Spain.
Oh, is it not like Smith there? Is it like it's Kevin Smith, basically?
Yes. Kind of.
Well, I'm still going to pretend that you go around the house singing while you're doing your animations.
Okay.
Now, I didn't warn you about this earlier, but there is a tradition, is the best word to describe it, Kev. It's a tradition. Everyone has to do it when it's their first time on.
Oh no, I'm not gonna sing.
So, what Spanish nursery rhyme are you gonna, or your favorite rock tune, are you gonna sing for us?
So I have to sing. Can I sing any song?
Any song you want.
Even I used to sing in a choir, choral.
No way! See, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Well, so I was the bass voice.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Here it comes! I'm so excited.
Well, I don't know. I'm feeling so weird now. So there's one song that I like to sing sometimes. It's really it's kind of sad, but I don't know. Should I go?
Yes, please, mate.
Okay. Niño Dios de amor herido, tan presto os enamoráis, que apenas habéis nacido, cuando de amores lloráis, cuando de amores lloráis.
Oh my word! But do you know what?
Yeah, what?
That you are now the best guest singer we've ever had on the show.
No way.
Okay, to be honest, the bar isn't really high. It's like, do you watch Top Gear, where it's like celebrity in an overpriced car? Well, you are right at the top of the leaderboard, I have to say.
Okay.
You know what you should do? You should do music assets. You should do song assets, right? To go with, because you were singing as your animations were playing in the background, and I gotta tell you, it worked really well.
Yeah.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Yeah, it will be great to mix in these two things.
Well, what did it mean? What were you singing? What were the words?
it's like one kind of not medieval, but like Renacimiento, Renaissance.
Renaissance, yeah.
Renaissance age song
I love it.
that we used to sing in the choral, and it's about like a boy or a boy that is like Niño Dios de amor herido, it's like blessed boy of that have that was in love, but it became hurt. So love hurt him, and it's like I don't know how to say the word.
It's a sad love song about being
pain,
about love's
pain,
lost.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, mate.
Love lost.
Do you know? Do you know what? I was getting Game of Thrones vibes as you were singing that.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of like medieval or Renaissance vibes. Yeah.
I can only sing deep when I've lost my voice, when I've got a really bad cold, and whenever I've got a really bad cold, I do a music video of me singing. So like I did the Game of Thrones, the Reigns of Castamere, and it got a copyright strike because it was so accurate. I got to tell you, I'm sure that's why it got a copyright strike. But I'm thinking that when this video of your interview now goes onto YouTube, it's going to go viral. You're gonna get music contracts thrown at your door, mate. So when did you start doing the animations? When did you start animating and you weren't singing in the choirs?
You asked me when I started animation?
Yeah.
I think I started in 2015.
So what, only 3 years before you came on the Asset Store?
Yeah, in fact, actually, I started in Unity Asset Store doing everything but animations.
Oh wow!
My first asset was a tool for making models that it worked in the editor in Unity, but in the editor. So you could create like 3D weapons and export them into prefabs or into wavefront.
Oh wow!
OBJ format, and the tool was able to replace parts and recolor parts and make some parts bigger or smaller.
Where's it gone, Kevin? Where's it gone? I can't. Did you deprecate it? Where is it?
Yeah, I deprecated it because I'm not a programmer, and it has many bugs, and people ask me. I could not give a decent support for that asset, so I decided to deprecate it. It wasn't. It didn't have good sales either, so
That's a shame.
Yes. But I don't know if I can share you a video of this.
Oh yeah, send me on the on Discord a DM
Okay,
on Discord, and I'll put it on there.
send you because I have it, but it's in my YouTube channel, but it's unlisted.
Yeah.
So give me a sec.
You got a floss animation going on. I'm gonna have to show that to my kids.
What?
The floss dance.
The floss dance is like the backpack kid dance.
Hang on, you see? If you can see this,
that's from Fortnite, I think. No?
Yeah, well, what Fortnite like to do, they like to steal popular dances and they put them in the game. And then the people who say they invented the dance pretend to sue them so they can get a load of publicity and be on the newspapers.
Yeah.
That's how it works. I'm pretty sure.
Gildar,
did I say thank you? 48 months, you beautiful badger. Thank you so much for the sub, Gildar.
Okay, I'm sending you the link.
It is safe. It's not going to get me DMCA'd, yeah? There's nothing inappropriate. There's no nudity on here.
No, there is no nudity.
Oh, that's it. Okay, that's a shame. Hang on a minute. Adverts. You put monetization on your unlisted videos?
Did you have an ad? I don't know why my videos have ads. I didn't make anything for it to happen.
YouTube just wants its money, mate. YouTube wants its money.
Yeah.
But this is crazy.
Yeah, but this was a failure. Was a failure. I started with this, but then well, maybe you have nudity in the ad. No.
I mean, look at this. Look over here. How is this a failure? I would love to have this. Chat, everyone in chat, would you like to have this asset? Stella says it looks like a good tool. It looks like a great tool.
It has even the chance to add your own custom models and mix with the default ones. That these are like a more toon style, stylized assets. But it was hard to make, to configure to import your own pieces of models and to make it work properly with the tool. It was very hard. So I just deprecated it. It was, but it helped me a lot to learn more about coding and programming, especially C#. I learned a lot doing this tool.
Do you know what? I feel exactly the same. I've made a similar tool, but it doesn't export the model or create all of this awesome texture mapping or anything. That'd be cool. You are not too late. And I haven't released it yet, and I keep on recoding it and changing it. And every time I do, I feel like I'm learning something new. And it's more like a learning project. So even though this wasn't a huge success, you can't put a price on the experience that you had doing this.
Yeah.
Chat says that you should team up with a coder and give it life. You know what? Next time I come to Spain,
okay,
Kim, let's go get drunk and start coding together.
All right. Okay.
But I'm not gonna be in the air conditioning in that hotel next time.
No, please. No. Well, so I made this tool, but it did not give me enough sales, so I couldn't live doing this. So I tried with some 3D models, but didn't go well too. So I made a video game.
Oh.
So, first of all, I studied a course, a presential course here in Spain, in Barcelona, that for learning to be a 3D generalist. So I learned about animation, but also modeling and texturizing, and I learned a bit of Unity.
That's amazing.
So I started a video game that I will share you the link to.
Yes, mate, please do. How old were you when you were doing that then?
I made the game in 2018.
So how old are you now, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm Next month I will make 29. So
Oh,
I'm
you're a
right now
baby.
28.
You're just a baby.
Not a baby, but well.
Oh, Nino. Hopefully not the Nino who's got the broken heart. Nino.
Niño, yeah, the niño de Dios, niño Dios de amor herido.
Oh, we got another advert coming our way from YouTube. There you go. Wait for there.
So I made this game in 2018, and
by yourself or with a team?
What? By myself. Well, a friend of mine did the music. That is amazing. He's a very good music maker for video games. But the rest is made by me. The models, the animations, everything.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know how to program, how to code, but in that moment, I was using Playmaker.
I loved Playmaker back in the day. It's lovely, isn't it?
It helped me to make the game because I didn't know how to make the scripts. But at the end, when I finished the game, I already knew some how to code some scripts. So I replaced some Playmaker stuff with my own scripts. And
how did that make you feel?
Like very, I don't know, powerful. Like, oh, I'm learning how to make games by myself, no, with no tool. That opens like more possibilities. So it was a really great feeling.
Right, the YouTube advert is finally finished, so we can sit and watch now. So you kill. It's like a match. It's a match game, but a fighting match game.
Yeah, it's like a making pairs game, cards game, making 2 pairs of cards, like a memory game, but mixed with classic RPG.
Oh, that's awesome.
So it's like I think by that time, I think, well, the one thing that scares me more is animation. So this is the hardest for me, animation. So I will go for this because it's the hardest. I don't know. It's my kind of things. Like I will go for the harder. So that will that made me focus a lot of doing animation and stop doing other things. And I learned about rigging and animation, and it was thanks to one YouTuber. I don't know if maybe you know him. You know his channel is Grand Avid. It's a YouTuber that makes videos and tutorial using Blender.
I think is it like I've got one Blender person who's got like, you know, ridiculously high number of subscribers who does really cool Blender videos. I don't know that, I can't remember the name, but yeah, you learned from YouTube to be a rigger and animator.
Not quite. I learned well, yes. I learned in YouTube, but especially I learned how to animate doing an online course in CG Cookie. Do you know? It's like online courses online of Blender and even Unity.
Oh, no! So you're using chat are asking. Does Kevin use Blender to make his animations?
Yes, I make Blender. I'm a big fan of Blender. I love Blender. Yes, I make the rigging and the animation in Blender. Yes.
I have nightmares from the old Blender version still.
The one with the white skin, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. But I think that is. I have nightmares with that Blender.
I still
Luckily,
haven't recovered though, Kevin. You've recovered. You're using Blender now.
yeah. Luckily, I started using Blender with the new UE, the one with darker UE, not the new one. In fact, I am using an old Blender version, but not so old. But I'm still using 2.79. I'm not using 2.08 Blender version.
I've got to say, Kevin, I actually used Blender recently to fix some models that I'm putting in my my asset. I'm going to be making an asset, Kevin, and I want to do a shout out to Dowie D Environment exclamation mark DE Environment in the chat exclamation mark DE, because he was so kind that even more than once he had to tell me the same thing of like basically how to click buttons in Blend. Like he called me up on Discord. Kevin was like, put your put your finger on this button. Like put your finger on that. Like literally, it was like holding my hand, walking me through Blender. You know, like when somebody's traumatized and you're holding that. Don't be scared of the spiders. Don't be scared of the spiders. Come on, in you go. So yeah. Even I've now. I can admit that maybe Blender's not so scary. So Kevin,
yeah,
I'm gonna look up those tutorials. I'm gonna try and do some CG cookie ones then.
One thing I love from Blender that I didn't see in other 3D software is that the Blender has the 3D cursor. This thing is very useful for animation, for modeling, even for UV wrapping. I don't understand what other 3D software don't has this feature, the 3D cursor. It's very useful.
I did not even think of that. Anderson Marquis says, I use Kevin's animations in almost every 3D game I've made. I hope that's more than one, Anderson.
Really?
That's a great, yeah. That's what
thank you. I'm so glad to hear people use my animations. So thank you, Anderson.
You're not surprised though, are you? I mean, you've got quite a good reputation now. I've got to say, when I was telling people that I'm going to do some animation videos, they're like, "Do Kevin."
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So I got to say, your name came up. That's I reached out. The chat asked for you by name. So you were requested by popular demand, to come on the virtual sofa. So thank you so much for taking up the invitation.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you your community for this. I'm so grateful, Yeah.
But yeah, Black Mages, I use them also, and on the Discord earlier today, Dan V. Cool said that he's got pretty much nearly all of your animations. Let's see if he can win a raffle today of one of the ones that he doesn't already have. So tell me, Kevin, have you got any new surprises on the way?
Yes and no. I could have more, but I had to slow the process of making new animations, because this latest month I was working in a project that are not making new animations from the other store, but I'm planning to update the existing animations. I'm planning to add more animations to each pack and to update them. That's for sure. Even if I'm not doing that right now, it's not my short-term goal. I'm trying to update and the ones that I have. Right now, I'm working on. I make only humanoid animations, but one of my last assets was elemental animations, and those are not using humanoid generic type, and that means that are harder to retarget for people to apply them into their models. So I was like learning the best way to do so, and I think I made a way that I think it's right now what we are saying in the Monster Animation Pack. It is possible to make your model into my animations, but into the elemental animations, but the model needs to be split apart in different meshes.
Oh wow!
So it's generic rig, but the edge mesh it's children of edge bone of the rig, and that makes the illusion that it's being retargeting. And right now I'm working on an update for the skeleton animation to make like two versions of the skeleton animation, one with humanoid animations and one with the generic type, that will allow me to make a cool death animation, like the skeleton blown away with their bones around, and to rebuild itself. You know what I mean?
I do. It sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah. But like right now in like the elemental animations, that death animation that all the birds go away, I'm trying to do the same with the skeleton, but conserving also the humanoid animations. So I'm learning which way is the best and which way is going to be the easier for the user to apply their model into my animations.
Wow. I got to say, Kevin, from what you told me earlier, I got to call you out and say that you're a liar. You're a liar, and your pants are on fire, because you told me that you're not a developer, right? Didn't you?
I told you I'm not a developer.
Yeah, you said you're not a developer, you're not a programmer.
I'm not a programmer.
Yeah, exactly. Well, and look at this, right? You got your store is full of. You showed me this earlier. Your store's full of these cool tools and stuff that you're making.
Yeah, but I know how to program for me. I think I am a messy coder too. I make spaghetti coding. I don't know how to comment. I don't know if other programmers will know what I'm doing. I don't know the.
Mate, if it works, that's all that all matters.
Yeah,
if it works, that's all that matters.
But also I have to comment because I think it's harder to make assets for asset store than making assets for your own game.
Mate, I did not realize how tough it was.
Yeah, you have to make an asset for the asset store. You have to make sure it works for the most people, and that I think that is an extra work. But if you are making an asset for your own game, you only have to worry that it works in your own game. So I think it's an extra work make assets to sell them in Unity Asset Store or other stores.
It is ridiculous. Basically, right? I made the game for my son, Chicky Taxi. Right? It's a taxi, crazy taxi clone, right? With cartoon chickens and cartoon characters, right? So exclamation mark YouTube. And I was like, I'm just going to take the bits out of this, and I'm going to sell them. And I actually used Mux, my first asset I was trying to make, as the basis of it. And as I'm sitting there trying to think, okay, is it ready to go into the asset store? Other asset publishers from the community, exclamation mark Discord, join the community, start giving me feedback and advice of like what I should do when you're making your asset. I've rewritten it about 50 times because I'm like, oh, it works for me. But what if somebody wanted to
Yeah.
do? What if somebody wanted to wear their keyboard as a hat? Would my asset still work?
Yeah.
If they wore it as a shoe, would it? If they poured coffee all over their computer, would it still work?
Yeah.
But with animations, you don't really have that problem, do you? Or do you?
Well, with animations, I think the Unity system, humanoid system for retargeting animations between other humanoid models, I think it works great. But it has some problems with models that have different arms length. That it's a very common issue. Every character, humanoid, have different arms length, so it's a common issue. But this happens only when holding, for example, an object with both hands, or if the hand in animation goes for a floor, or it's a lying in the ground animation. And one thing I made for fix this is I made this tool, the inversive kinematic helper tool, iKey helper tool, that helps. Well, it fixes when when people get place an animation that is holding, for example, a weapon, a sword, a big sword with both hands. In my model, it looks perfect. Both hands are aligned and are holding the weapon. But when you play the same animation in other model, one of the hands is like floating and it's not touching the weapon. So with this tool, you can fix that. And I made different versions, and I think this last one is the one that works better, but it also is the one that is harder to set up. But it works with any kind of model and any kind of animation. It works even with animations that are not mine. So I think that's
nice. Good. You should put a disclaimer on there. If you're using it with animations that are not mine, this asset will cost you €20.
Well, I think it's cool to have it free, even if it's not used with my animations.
You could have sold it for $5 and made a load of money. Is this your day job? Doing the asset store, or are you having to do a day job and then come home?
Right now it's my day job. Yes.
Yeah, you need to be meaner with your pricing then. Yeah, you got bills to pay.
Yeah, but I think free assets helps you to promote other assets that are paid that cost.
It's good marketing.
Real money. Yeah, and also I think making this free in some way makes my animations more useful. I want to make sure the user that buys my animations is able to put this on their models and with no errors. So that's why I think this will I will need to include this tool in every pack. That's my thinking, my mentality.
Yeah, it's your standard core code asset that's included in every one of your animations. You're the only person I've seen who's done hand poses as an asset. This is amazing.
Yeah, I think this is very useful too, because before this asset, I was like making two versions of animations, one with closed hands and one with open hands. Now, what I do is making all animations with open hands, and if the user needs it to be closed because it's holding an item or I don't know, he can or she can get this asset and fix that and make the animation with the hand open, make it the hand closed. So I think it's useful.
It's brilliant, buddy. It's brilliant. Should we pop inside Unity?
Yeah.
All right. We are doing a Scene Fusion collab, everyone at home. So and me and Kevin are both inside Unity right now in this project. Hi, Kev.
Hola. Hi. Hola. Yeah, you can say yes or no.
Exactly.
Yes.
But you can't swear. You can't maybe up swearing. The only problem we've identified with Scene Fusion for sharing comes, and is Roland in the chat? Has anyone seen Roland? Is Roland in the chat? I've imported in Animation Preview Pro, which I absolutely love, and you need it when you're doing animations previews. Trust me. So if I drag in, I'm sharing my screen with you on Teams, by the way, Kevin. So you can see my screen in real time.
Okay.
There. So I've dragged in Animation Preview Pro from Roland, and if we click play, now I can see him animating, but it doesn't animate for Kevin in his scene. So yeah, that's. I thought it's moving the actual the mesh positions and stuff, but apparently the preview in the editor can't be streamed. That's a shame. Look at these. Everyone's sitting down. If I drag him in now, he'll change his. Yeah, like changes its position. If I move the chair, there. Is he gonna sit down? Oh my gosh! Look at him sitting down on the chair. Is he? Oh no! I was gonna say, have you got it so that he's targeting the chair with some kind of IK thing, and then when you move the chair, he'll move as well.
Please come again.
Like, you know, you've got the IK placement on the hands, right?
Yes.
Can you do IK on his bum?
No. Well, at least I don't know if there is a way. But what I do in these cases is making different versions of the same animation that maybe is a bit higher or lower, or maybe the back is not as much in the back. It's more like forward. Do you know what I mean?
I do, yes. But that means you're doing it multiple times, aren't you?
It's the same animation, so I just I make one animation, and then with my animation skills.
Your animation skills, love it.
So I'm not redoing the animation every time for these versions. So for example, an animation that it's like death and it's lying in the ground, maybe with some models the hands goes below the floor. And for fix that, I get the same animation. I copy the animation in Blender, and with the graph editor, I just move all the keyframes a bit way up, and it's solved in very easy.
Oh.
It does not require me to redo the animation and make the hands not making sure it touches the ground. It's now it's faster than, so I have the animation. For making the versions is faster than making a new animation from scratch.
You got hundreds of animations. Chad's asking, how do you choose which animations you're going to create next?
Well, it's uh, I don't know. Maybe sometimes people ask me to suggest me to make some animations. I think I made animations like I would like to make a game by myself. So I think what animations I will need to make the game I would like to do. So that's why I have, for example, basic motions are animations that every developer will need because are very general. But then I thinking I thought for a game like strategy game or a medieval game. So I made the melee warriors that are animations to use with melee weapons or like battle.
Well, how did you decide I'm going to make a drowning? I'm looking here at your drowning animations.
Well, because I play games that have swim animations and you die and then and swim. A drown animation is playing. So I playing video games helps me to decide which animations make for other people to make games.
Yes,
that makes sense.
You need to be playing those games. What are your favorite? What's your favorite genre?
I think RPG, MMORPG.
Oh, nice. Which one?
Online games.
Which ones are your fave?
I have ones that I used to play when I was a kid. They are not famous, but I loved. It was a game like the first game that I played, I was, wow, this game is the game. It was obviously World of Warcraft, I think.
Well, it had to be in it. I mean, that was like a game. That was a changer for the whole industry, wasn't it?
Yeah, totally. Then I played other similar games. It's like I like playing online games. I don't know why.
Is it the community feeling that you love?
Yeah, maybe, but it's weird because I like to play these games but alone.
So you love online games, but you want to play them by yourself?
Yeah, I like to play them like, okay, there is a mission for 3 people. I like to go me as alone and get the loot all for me.
Oh my!
And then that feeling of getting all the loot for me is what I like. I don't know.
I'm looking at the villagers example scene, right, Kevin? And
all right.
And I got to the bit now where they're carving the leather. It's like a horror movie. Like the very very aggressive with that knife. I gotta say, it's like die leather, die. Die! Stab!
Which animation?
Look at Teams. You can see I'm sharing my screen on Teams. You can see there. Yeah, these ones here. It's like why won't you die? So you could change this for like, have a body underneath it and blood and a blood particle effect splurting everywhere.
Yes, skinning.
It's not skinning.
Yeah, I know, but
Messi says skinning. It sounds like you're saying lever.
Lever?
How does skinning sound like lever? What was I saying that it sounded like lever? What chat's making fun of me? Kevin, I'm getting bullied. I'm getting bullied by my chat. Oh, lever. Lever sounds like lever. That's because you're not used to the Queen's English. Oh, she's dead now. King's English doesn't really sound the same, does it?
This was the first animation pack, or animation asset that that makes me think I can do more of this because it's selling good. So this was my first animation asset that started selling good.
Really?
The Ladders animation. Yeah.
Wow.
And I got a lot of inspiration from strategy games, of course. And going back to the question when I started animation, before doing this, I was doing models, the tool I showed you before, and was when thanks to Grant Abbott, the YouTuber I told you before, he hosts a challenge like the Inktober challenge or similar, but for animation. It was in May, so it called Animation Challenge.
Oh, I like it.
And I participated in this, and it was the point where I decided to stop doing other things and focus only on animation. I really enjoyed that, so I give thanks to Grant Abbott for making that.
Oh wow!
That challenge. The rewards were free months of this CG Cookie website, so it was very cool. And yeah, I learned a lot doing that challenge, and it motivated me. It motivated me to keep doing animations, and yeah.
Wow, so we got him to thank for all of these assets. I did notice that they're rather fast, and as you're saying, it makes it when it's a fast animation, it's like it's for a strategy game, like top down kind of RTS.
Yeah,
fast animations. I have put the speed down to half the speed for the hammer, and yeah, that's what I like about the Unity, is that all in literally 1 second you go to the controller, and then you can just go boom and change a variable for the speed. And I don't need to go into Blender and redo any animations.
Yeah, of course.
I can just go. Go backwards. It's reversed. He's sucking the nails out. I love this stuff. So which is your favorite of your packs?
Let's have one more.
I don't know what's my favorite.
Which is your favorite baby?
I know what is the one I like the least.
Oh, controversial.
Which is the throwing animations. I think is the one that I like the least.
Oh, and I'm loading it up now. What a coincidence!
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, I think the one that I love is the skeleton, but not the animation. The 3D model I made, because I think it's like a kind of my mascot, because it's a model I made a long time ago, and it was there always. It is in my game that I made, and I have one of my friends printed it in 3D, so I have it here near me, and that's why I love it. But it's free. I made it. I made it before I started making animation assets.
Oh wow!
It's the skeleton outlaw. What I'm talking about.
And what, you've made it free as well?
Yeah. I made it free. I don't remember if maybe I put it for $5 when I released it, but I think I put it free not time after. See, I decided it to be free too.
It's had 123 views in this past week alone, so it's got lots of people looking at it. That's cool.
You mean the asset? Or?
Yeah, the asset on the Unity asset, so it tells you how many people have viewed it in the last week. So it says 123 views in the last week. So that's nice. People are liking it. I can't believe you're giving stuff away for free. You're crazy.
Well, I think it's this one. I mean the skeleton alloy. Yeah, I think giving some. In fact, what I learned a way that saves me a lot of time is I make the free version of an asset, and if I see it has enough downloads, I make the paid version.
Oh, clever. I love it. So if people are actually going to get the free one and then decide to get the
I think basic modules has a lot of free downloads. Like it's the most with difference compared to other of my assets, is the one that most downloads get.
But does it have the most sales for the paid version?
Come again, please.
Because you've got a paid version with more animations. Does the paid version equivalent of the free one? Is that your most popular paid one? So like, do the numbers match? When it's popular free, is it also popular when you're charging money for it?
Yes. If aside of the mega pack, the mega animations pack, the one that is most sold is the basic modules, and that matches with the basic modules free. That is the one that it's also the most downloaded. Is that what you asked me?
Yes, exactly. Lovely.
Okay.
I like it. So, Xendrius, hello, Xendrius, and also Tubby Crumbles, and thank you for the follow earlier. Penny, Ploppy, Penny. Your name had lots of P's in it. Thank you. Heisenberg says,
we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Hola, Kevin.
That's all my friends.
Thank you so much for the summary. Hola, Kevin. Somos Luis, Alba, Celia y Alex. Te comemos la cara desde el pony.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hola, chicos. Luego igual los veo. These are my friends.
So Big Gamey has translated it as saying,
Lee translated it very good. Yeah.
Hi Kevin, we are Lewis, Albacillian Alex. We eat your face from the pony.
Yeah, the pony is a bar. It's a bar we often go. Yeah.
We eat your face. What does that mean?
Eat your face.
Yeah.
It's like kind of well, I don't know how to explain.
You're gonna need to explain that one, because
like wait a sec.
This is now going to become
like a worm.
You're going to become an internet meme. Kevin's says, we eat your face at the pony.
No, it's like te como la cara. I ate your face is like saying I like you a lot, or it's like a
really
a warm way to say I'm with you. I'm with you with everything.
You Spanish people are crazy.
Yeah.
I eat your face is a nice thing to say to someone.
It's like I give you a kiss, or like I'm kissing you because I love you, something like this.
Yeah, I don't think there's an English version of that. Did you put your characters in a way that they're spelling out a word?
How?
Look,
What?
look at the screen on the teams.
We don't make
On
mistakes.
Teams. Ah,
We have happy
yeah.
accidents.
What's your question?
The positioning of your soldiers.
It's random.
It is not random, Kevin. It is not random. Okay.
Whoa, I didn't notice about this.
Okay.
Well, it's like a rocket.
It is like a rocket. Exactly. It's like a rocket, children. Children, it's a rocket. That's what we see.
Oh my God.
If anyone sees anything other than a rocket ship, then it's your own fault. Okay? All we see are rocket ships. Oh, Etonic says, "You are so cute, I could eat you up." Yes, there is that saying, isn't it? I love you to bits. It's not I love you to bites, Stella. If anyone's telling you they love you to bites, it's a vampire and you need to run now. Okay? Get out of that room. I see a smiley face and 2 tombstones. Oh yeah, smiley face, eyes, and those are ears. Those are the ears. Those are the eyes. And there's the glitter in the eyes, and there's the spot on the nose. That's what I see right there. My son was very excited when he saw your soldiers. I told him, like, this is the person I'm interviewing tonight, darling. And he was like, oh, he does good skins on his models, good animations, good characters, good models as well. And I was like, yeah, I don't know if he does the models, darling, but he does the animations. But now I've learned you do the models as well. You write the theme tune, you sing the theme tune, you do all of it. And by the way, Kevin, I got to tell everyone who missed the start of the stream, if you missed the start of this stream, Big Gamey, I'm looking at you, and Etonics was here, Eccentric, Tubby, you missed the start. Anderson Marcus, were you there at the start? Because Kevin sang for us, and Kevin has got such a wonderful singing voice. If you don't believe me, ask Stella. Stella will tell you. Stella don't steer you wrong. Stella tells no lies. Stella tells no lies. Oh, Dub says, I missed the start. Sing again. No, he's not going to sing again because that's a punishment for you for missing it. Right? Yeah. You need to watch the VOD later. Okay, and give a +1 on the video analytics. So there you go.
I'm going to subscribe to your channel.
You haven't already subscribed to the channel?
I was, but it expired today.
Really? Is that how we're gonna say it's a coincidence? It's God.
Yeah,
it's destiny.
If you
destiny,
didn't postpone the interview because you were sick, I
postponed it specifically because I was waiting for you to expire. Well, let's just say that it was Spain's fault that I was sick. Yeah, let's blame Spain. Blame Canada. Blame Canada. I thought that said Master Cage animation, and I was like, what's a Master Cage animation? Basically, Caster Mage animations. Oh, Messi is my reminder to collect freebies from Amazon Gaming. I keep forgetting my freebies. Thank you, Etonics. If you are with Amazon, you can use your free Amazon Prime subscription on this channel. Where better? Come on. There's nowhere else that you want to be spending your free Amazon sub on. So spend it here. And you get a load of cool free games with Amazon. There you go.
I'm kept deck in Twitch.
I can see you.
I chose this name because I was thinking of streaming with a Steam Deck.
We don't make mistakes.
Oh,
we
very
have happy
clever.
accidents.
but I didn't start, right? And I don't know if I will do it.
Anderson Marcus, thank you so much for the sub, buddy. I got my Steam Deck, yeah. It finally came through the post. When was it? Like mid last year. I uploaded my first TikTok video, Kevin, of
With the Steam Deck.
of me unboxing the Steam Deck. So I unboxed the Steam Deck on TikTok. TikTok at the Messy Coder. Let me try and find it. See if I can find the TikTok video. How does it work? Can you use TikTok on a browser? TikTok.com/themessycoder. Does that work? Is that a thing? Is that a 404? Why is that a 404? Did they close down my account? Am I Messy Coder? 404. Is it Tickety Talk? How do you spell Tickety Talk? Messy Coder. Oh my god. Kevin, they've deleted me. Did I get deleted from TikTok? Have I been deleted? Chat. Did they delete me? Have I been cancelled? Hashtag cancel Messy Coder. No, I'm on there. I've got one follower. I've got one follower on the Tickety Talk. Chat. Here we go. Look at this, Kevin. You can see my screen, right? I don't know how to click the videos, right? I had to upload videos and things. So I accidentally uploaded the video twice. One of them's got 143 views and the other one's got 207. And here's my first Tickety Talk I did, right? It's my wife's cat saying hello world. And it was just, I wonder if you can even hear it. It's just the cat purring. I think you can barely hear it. So yeah, that's my Tickety Talk. And my beautiful badges. There you go. Look, it's me talking. And there's the Steam Deck.
I don't have a TikTok.
You don't have a Tickety Talk? Oh, you got to get yourself Tickety Talked. Kevin, you need to. Imagine all of the Steam Deck videos you could be doing. Kev Deck Tickety Talk.
But I saw this video in your YouTube channel unboxing the Steam Deck.
Yeah, it was. I tried to do a YouTube short as well. I think I was like, you know what? I'm going to do a multicast. Windows 11 can run Android APKs. I'm just saying. Windows 8, Windows XP can run Android APKs. That was the first hand reveal. Yes, it was the first messy hand reveal. I had to go and get a hand model to come and do the hand. So it's not really my hand. I had to pay somebody. Are you Etonics is saying what natively? You natively running Android APKs on a Windows 11? Really? So if we make, hang on a minute. I did not know this. Etonics has just blown my mind, Kev. More than a Tickety Talk, okay? More than your hand animations, more than your monsters, nearly more as your Eternal animations. That on a Windows 11, you can run Android APKs. Does that mean that
you can play my game?
We can play your game on a Windows 11. That's amazing.
Yeah, I didn't know that. It's
is your mind blown as well, Kev?
What?
Your mind is blown.
Yeah, my mind is blown. Well, yes and no. I think doesn't surprise me. Things, technology. It's every day. It's going farther.
Every day, technology is going down the toilet, Kevin. It's just getting worse and worse. Eventually, we're going to be in Skynet. I'm telling you, they're going to take over the world, right?
Yeah.
Chat GTP, Alexa, destroying all your electrics in your house, and you're telling your light switches on when you're sleeping, right? Do you know what Alexa does? Alexa turns on all of your lights in your house, apart from your bedroom, so not to wake you up. Okay. She turns on your TV but puts the volume down low. Okay. She starts up your microwaves. She opens your fridge door. She does all these things to get your electricity bill through the roof, just because you don't say please and thank you whenever you ask her anything.
Oh my God, so evil, Alexa.
She is. She is. She's an evil thing. Etonic says it is official. It is official that Alexa's here. He's still talking about APK. The rest of us have moved on about APKs, but Etonics is still there talking about APKs. Borgdub say you just double click the APK. Apparently yes. BitGamey says everyone stop talking about APKs. We're talking about Alexa taking over the world now. We've moved on. No, do you know what else we're going to move on to? Kev.
Yeah.
Not only are you a beautiful singer, right? Not only do you make beautiful animations, not only do you make beautiful skeletons, Kevin, right? Not only all of these things are true from Kevin, not only do you make beautiful role pairs games, Kevin, but also you're a beautiful badger, aren't you? Because you've given me three beautiful presents to give away.
Yeah.
To these animals that we have in chat, these monsters that we've got there. One of which actually is, when I'm talking about monsters and animals, it's your elemental animations, and it's I wanted to do a joke about it's elementary. That elementary, dear Watson. We're going to be giving away a copy of this. Now we've got 3 copies, 3 different animation packs to give away.
Yeah.
Elemental animations, basic motions. If you want to go through the motions, which we've got currently playing on the, we've got the elemental animations playing now on the video. We've got the basic motions playing on the YouTube, in the Unity, and the massive huge bundle. Anderson Mark is talking about AI. About AI. Will you be using AI in your workflow when creating new animations? Oh, great question there.
Yeah, great question. I think, I don't know, maybe in a future, but for now, I don't know anything about AI in animation. I think I know one program, but I think it's not AI. How do you spell? Because in Spanish it's IA, inteligencia artificial. In English is the other way. IA in English is AI.
Yeah, it's
okay.
artificial intelligence. AI.
All right.
Just think of it like animations, but without the N. Take the N out of animations, and what do you get at the start?
Yeah.
That's so when I'm thinking of AI and animations, all I'm thinking at is that somebody deleted the N by accident. Yeah. By the way, ! raffle. Join in the AI with ! raffle. We're going to be giving away a copy first of all of the elemental animations. So in Portuguese, they're saying it's inteligencia artificial.
Yeah, similar to Spain, inteligencia artificial. So I don't know any program, but I know I have seen, I watched videos about this program that says Baroque Dupe, El Cascadeo, that it looks amazing. But I didn't dive into it yet. But it looks, makes animation so easy to do, but I don't know. For the moment, I will stay in Blender.
Don't worry. You'll be getting AI in Blender. What if you can go chat TGB, make my animations for me, and see what it comes out with. The AI, the AI chat that we're all asking questions. To AI chat, make my game for me.
Like the chat GPT?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
It was like, make all my animations. See, your job's safe at the moment.
I don't know. Maybe from every job that is threaded from the threaded from the AI, I think animation is the most safe. I think for the moment, but I don't know.
Oh yeah, but I'm saying that the NVIDIA do face and body animations from dialogue audio. I have seen those. I love those ones where they take the face, right, Kevin, and let me try and find the video. And they change the face and the mouth of the person talking to match the language when they've dubbed it into other languages for the movies. So no longer will your hang on, I'm sure I clicked like. No longer will the movies that you're watching have people. Here it is. Hang on, let me stick it in the other. Hang on, how do I share this on the other browser?
So the lip sync is made automatically. You mean?
Yeah, hang on. Except these cookies. Here they are. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I see.
She got talking.
Remove dialogue.
Oh, the swearing.
Oh.
And I don't blame you. And
Yeah. So doing the F word.
Stuck on this stupid freaking tower.
Oh no, they changed it to freaking.
And it's all my fault.
Oh, it's in Japanese. It's in Spanish.
Spanish.
Now we're stuck on this
wow.
tower in the middle of nowhere.
Amazing.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, buddy.
But what I also seen is AI making getting the animation information from a video. It's like you no longer need mocap suit with AI. The AI is able to scan the video and import the animation and get the animation information from that video without using a suit, mocap suit.
Oh wow. Stella asks, what about animations for characters that wear clothes like a cape or long dress or hanging weapons around? No AI in that. Just maybe you could solve that with AI, actually.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Animations for characters that wear clothes like a cape or a long dress or hanging weapons.
Clothes animations are really hard.
I'll tell you what.
Even
let's have one more.
So I make animations. I don't know how will be possible to retarget. If I make animation for characters with cloth, the user models will need to use the same cloth. I mean, it's hard how I know which clothes will wear the final model. I think I could make extra bones for maybe skirts or other clothes, but maybe they are never used because maybe
I would suggest that for cloths to actually do it with code to have the code that simulates the cloth. and use that instead. Would be my suggestion on that. Oh, Kevin, the raffle's ended. Let's give away. Let's say who's going to win. Right, Kevin. We need a drum roll. Can you make a drum roll?
I don't know.
Sing it. There you go. And the winner is Barak Dub. Barak Dub has won.
Oh, nice.
The Elemental animations. Well done. Well done, Barak Dub. Warspawn's asking. We kind of got an answer, but not a real answer. I'm going to say because you said you did the course in Spain and you watched the videos on YouTube. So where do you feel like you learned to be the animator? Is it that animation competition? Is that or was it your studies that you first did in Spain with the university?
I think I learned the most of the animation I do today is thanks to one of the teachers of CG Cookie.
Oh wow!
I think it's called Wayne Dixon. It's one of the teachers there that I think he learned from an animator from DreamWorks. So,
oh wow!
So and also their classes and his English and his classes are easy to understand for me. So it was good for me, and I learned a lot. Even he does the classes in uses Blender, and I learned a lot how to animate in Blender. And I think that was the most course or the most stage where I learned the most of animation that I do today. So I think it's thanks to this teacher.
So if anyone's thinking because they didn't learn at university and they haven't been doing this for years, don't worry. You could be learning how to do animations, and like David Cool says, all you need to make a game is Cinti assets, Kevin Iglesias animations, and Game Creator 2.
Amazing. Yeah, I love Cinti assets.
Should we try put some in? We've got some in the scene. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe we can do some retarget stuff.
Yeah. Right, while we've got ! raffle to get yourselves a copy of the basic motion pack. Right, Kevin. So let me make a session here. Now you should. Here we go. We're both in the same scene now. Are you coming in? Are you joining?
I'm trying, but every time I join.
You need to load up the Polygon Fantasy Rivals demo scene.
All right.
Are you in?
Once
you were in. You were in.
It crashed.
It crashed.
Unity crashed.
Unity crashed. Oh no. Unity. Damn you, Unity. How dare you.
Demo. Okay, I think I'm in. I think. Okay. Yes.
You're in. All right, you're raffling at the moment for this pack.
I love Cinti assets, and I one of the references I take for making one of the versions of my animation when the hand is not well, it doesn't fit good. I make a version that fits with Cinti Studios to make sure with Cinti characters my animations plays perfectly.
Oh, nice. I want chips now to my ruffles. Right, so who's the winner of this round? I'll do the drum roll this time. The winner is.
Okay.
Dan V Cool. Dan V Cool, who's got nearly all of your assets. Is this the one asset that Dan V Cool doesn't have? The basic motion. I can't believe it. Dan V Cool. Right, your name goes down in the book. Basic motion. Congratulations, that'd be cool.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Hit me up on the Discord, Baroque Dub and now. I tell you what, you click on the little dwarf guy, yeah, and you do the animation on him, okay, and I'll see if I can see that you're doing it in.
But you mean with the animation preview pro?
No, just the like put your animation on him and do the hand IK and all that stuff, and
Okay.
I'll see if it's actually like if I can see. Oh look, you've made everyone else disappear.
Yeah, because so the others don't disturb me.
Nice. It feels like I'm spying on you. Like, I mean, I've got spyware on your computer. I'm looking at what you're doing. I'm looking through the window.
Okay, so if you play now,
And was that it? Hang on. I want you to put an animation where he's holding his weapon. I want to see him holding his big weapon.
Yeah, give me a sec.
With two hands. I want him holding his big weapon with both his hands. I want to see him thrusting it. I want to see him using both his hands to thrust his weapon.
Small.
Right? Make it bigger.
Yeah, no, I will take the other weapon. This.
Oh, that is big wood. That is massive. Look at the size. That is huge. He can't hold that with both hands.
Yeah, I will make it smaller a bit.
You gotta make his massive wooden weapon smaller. Sanya, you okay?
For the moment I want to see how it plays without the IP.
Right, shall I click play?
Yeah.
Right, is everyone ready? Tell me when you're ready for me to click the play button.
If I change the speed of the animation controller, it changes to you too?
I don't know. I've never done this. We've never done animations on using Scene Fusion. It's all very exciting.
I'm
I've
going
aligned
to
the camera. If I look at
reduce
him,
the speed.
let's have a look. Controller. It's showing up as 1.1 on the Tech 4.
So it doesn't change. I just set it to 0.25.
Oh, which one? Attack 01?
The four animations, the four attacks.
Yeah.
Point
25.
25. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I've done the same on my end. Have you tried UMotion? The chat asks.
No, I didn't try UMotion.
I love UMotion. You should try it.
It's like for to make animations inside Unity.
Yeah, you can make animations inside Unity and edit animations inside Unity.
That's cool.
It's very nice.
I'm editing it.
Shall I click play?
No, wait.
Okay.
Wait a sec.
I wonder if you have to click save, and if you click save, does it refresh on what I then sync?
What?
If you click save on the scene when you've made your changes, will it then update on mine? So say if you save your scene, say saved when you've saved it.
Okay. Save.
No, I didn't do anything. Nothing updated on my end. Maybe it doesn't do the codes and stuff.
Try to click play and see if the right hand holds now properly kind of, no? It's the right hand. It's
hang on. It's
invisible.
Oh my god. He was. Yeah, let's try that again.
Whoa.
Waiting for the server to respond. Oh, there's a load of it. It's
doing weird things.
Oh, missing prefab. Oh, did you make a new prefab while you were doing it?
No. I just saved the scene.
Oh my god, his head.
It's jittering in my screen.
Is his head
something is wrong?
Have we killed him? His head's. I remember his head being like that. Okay. That's odd.
I'm gonna leave and rejoin the session.
Oh, hang on. It says here, character barbarian giant is not valid rotation. No. What did we do? We broke it.
I think it's maybe because I parented the weapon to the bone.
Oh, and his head. Look at my. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see. The head is not moving.
We have found a limitation with scene fusion and animations. Oh, this is awesome. I've never seen this before. This is the first time we've tried to do animations in scene, like sharing animations in scene fusion.
But maybe I can still make the I key. Well.
Oh yeah, you made changes to the same prefab. So you actually modified. Did you modify and save your modifications to the prefab?
I didn't modify. I just maybe it was because I saved the scene, but I didn't change the prefab. I'm going to.
If you go on Microsoft Teams, right, and share your screen with me, and you click play on your end, and see, does he go crazy explosion face on your one?
So.
Yolan, I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking Kevin, I did a stream a year or so ago, and I think maybe 2 years ago now, Yolan, and it was open to basically whoever wanted could jump into the scene on the stream. We had Irish John on there, Yolan, Sanya. We had loads of people adding things, and we were trying to make a big scene using Cinti assets and a castle in there. I think Irish John made a penis out of stone. I think, from what I remember. There was a penis involved somewhere. I remember, chat. Although that could have just been any normal Friday night conversation with me and Irish John. So I can't remember if it was specifically to do with that one. Okay, on the teams. Fine.
Yeah.
You do share. Obviously, stop sharing. You do share screen on Teams.
Okay.
Maybe if I end the session.
Oh, pantalla. All right.
Oh. Okay. Oh my! You're using a light theme.
Yes, I'm using light theme. Can you see my screen?
I
now?
can. What's the matter with you, Kevin?
I'm going to
you animal.
You're
using a light theme.
I'm used to use the light scheme because when I started using Unity, it was the only thing I had. And all the YouTube tutorials I saw was using the light theme. So I I'm now used to the dark theme. I don't like the dark theme. That's all. It feels weird for me.
You're making my eyes bleed.
Really?
Do you know what?
It's not that bad.
The only reason I use the dark one is because it used to have to pay for it or hack it. I made a video ages ago. I think it's one of my most popular videos. Was how to hack Unity so you can get the dark theme for free. Yeah. So I think that was my most popular video. Let's see if I can.
So so right now it's my screenplay, no?
Yeah, I'm trying to just crop it
because I'm watching in Twitch. It's like with a delay. It has a delay.
There we go. Okay, good. Kev.
Yes.
You got to click play first, mate, to see if it explodes before you do all of this. Because if you do all of this and then you click play and it explodes, you're going to end up crying.
Yeah. Let's see.
Now, while you're doing that, Danvical's asking...
Okay.
Oh, no, it didn't explode. Do you have any plans to make animations for animals?
I did animations for animals. I, in fact, had two assets, one of wolf and one of bear animations. But I deprecated them because the problem with animals is that they don't support the humanoid rig.
Well, I'll tell you what, mate.
Yeah.
Malbers, he does his animals animations on a humanoid rig.
Yeah, but I think that
he sold his soul to the devil to be able to become the animal animator. Yes, I agree with you.
I'm not sure if that gives any error. Well, you can retarget the generic animations, but both rigs needs to have the same hierarchy and the same rig bones name. But you can retarget that. The problem is that my animations have the rigs, my animal animations have the rigs, and the user always will have another rig different than the one I'm making. So for retargeting animals, it's harder. Unity doesn't allow it.
You should do animations for Malber's animals and be like, here's more animations for Malber's animals because he does humanoid rig, and then you could be like getting Malber's customers into your animations.
Well, maybe.
Define the standard. There you go. Retargeting is harder when you can't use a common denominator. Yes, that is true.
I watched the interview you made to Marvers.
I've done a couple. He's going to come back on the stream. He's going to come back on the stream very soon, hopefully.
Cool.
Yeah, so I expect you to be in the chat, posting loads of questions, or like talking to him in Spanish.
Yeah, no, he's from Cuba.
You didn't know?
No, I didn't know. I didn't know.
The things that you learn, Kevin, when you watch my interviews.
Yeah. And he has a tutorial for retarget animals, and it's something I was planning to do the same, but with Blender. But in the end, it's so hard that I think nobody will be able to make it.
But I had a friend of mine that I had basically followed Malba's tutorial videos for retargeting for animals, and it ended horrendously, and we all just gave up, to be honest. Dan V. Cool's asking, will Kevin make his animations available for the Unreal Engine? Kev, Unreal Marketplace, double the customer base.
I think for the moment I'm not going to make my animations for Unreal.
Is it because you don't like Unreal?
Yeah,
Is it an ethical choice?
I don't know. I don't like the interface of the UI of Unreal. But anyway, I don't know Unreal Engine, and making animations from Unreal Engine means I have to learn the proper way to sell them and to prepare them to be as easy for the user to play them in their models, and it's something different from Unity. And right now I don't have time for that.
You could just stick them as they are, right, and then ignore all of the customer support that comes your way. Just take the money and run.
Come again, please.
So
I can do two things at the same time. I'm doing this the IK, and it's so hard for me thinking in English, making this. Sorry.
I basically was saying that you could just sell them as they are on Unreal Marketplace and offer 0 customer support.
But for that, the users can download them from the Unity as the store, and it's the same.
Exactly. Just charge them. You charge them an extra 20% on the Unreal store, because they seem to have more money, the people who are buying stuff on Unreal. So just charge them an extra 20% for exactly the same thing and don't make anything customized. Still, is like exactly my problem with Unreal. I don't like the interface. It keeps me from learning it. I'm doing it. Danby Cool says, specialize on a single engine. That's good. Warspawn asks, does animation support you, or do you have a day job? Yeah, this is his day job. Yeah, I asked that earlier.
Yeah. My day job is the store. Yeah.
Oh, Warspawn says that Epic won't accept it if you don't have the Epic skeleton. Oh, that's not nice of Epic. It's mean, isn't it?
I don't know what is the Epic skeleton.
It's a skeleton that comes to your house. If you don't follow the instructions from Epic, they send a skeleton to your house to attack you. That's the Epic skeleton. It's all the secrets they have in their closet. It's the Epic skeleton in the closet. Chat, did you like that one, chat? Did you like that? I think chat liked it. So describe to me what you're doing now.
Yes, the tricky part of the configuring the IK is that you need to create, you need to edit the animation. You want it to have the IK, and for that you click the one you want, and you duplicate this with Control D, or I think it's here, duplicate the edit menu. And once you duplicate it, you are able now to edit it, because if not, it's only read only, and we need it to be writable. And once it is writable, we can add a keyframe to the one game object that will trigger the IK.
Ah, I see.
What I can make? Sorry. Yes, this here. Now. So I created two game objects. One is the ICA switch. That is the one that will trigger the when the ICA is on. And the other game object is the IKey effector. That is the one that will define the position and the rotation of the hand, but in the right place, holding the weapon. So it's, I don't know if there's a delay. I don't know to talk now or to talk about what is showing in the screen in the leaf.
I'm watching you just rotating his hands.
All right. Yes.
And moving his hands
now,
in the.
I'm rotating the other hand, but in play mode, and with the animation speed set to 0.
Okay.
Because this is why this is in play mode. The animation is still, but this is play mode. So it's easier for me to move to check the correct position with the speed 0. Because if it's
that's clever.
It's harder if there is playing. So I just put 0. And
I've never thought of doing it like that before. Put the animation speed to 0.
Yeah, it's I didn't know it at the start, but now I know. So and then I copy the transform component values and I exit play mode, and then I passed the property values in this. So now this is not why is this not looking? Okay. And now it should look good. Well, maybe it's too fast.
He's playing baseball.
Yeah. So now the left hand is it's not floating. We can, if we disable the script, it's floating. If we enable it, it's looking good. This way is the only way I find the way to duplicate the animation, create a property of the ICA switch, make it position Y1 because it's what the scripts knows. This way is the only way I found easier or that works better when transitioning with different animations that doesn't need the I key. For example, if I open the example of ICA helper tool, the examples I made, we can see you can see the ICA helper tool seen now.
Yep. And it's real time when you're sharing on the team, so don't worry.
Okay. So with this way, you only have to edit the animation that you want the I key, and automatically the animations that don't need the I key. So in this case, this one I have selected, we have the idle with I key, but the run with no I key, and the attack with I key again. So you only need to edit the ones, the animation that you need the I key, and automatically the scripts when a normal animation with no I key is played, the I key disables not smoothly, and you only need to edit the I key. the other ways, the other versions of this tool, you had to edit each animation, and it was not very smart.
That is cool. I love that. That is brilliant. I'm loving it. Do you know what
Okay.
we need to do?
I have a tutorial in YouTube that explains the process. But once you make one, I think the others is the next ones you make are easier.
Yeah, exactly. It's once you've done it once, then the next time you won't be so nervous. Now, shall we do another raffle? Because I know it's coming up to 1 o'clock for you, Kevin. So I'm gonna be letting you go to bed, so you can you can sleep. So when you wake up in the morning, you can be making us more animations.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna give away a copy of Kevin's big one. Kevin's really mega one. Kevin's huge mega animations pack. And if you have any problems with the two-handed, then don't worry, you can just use his free. Everyone gets a copy of the IK helper. Now let's do the giveaway. Open the raffle. The raffle is open. Exclamation mark. Waffles in the chat. Exclamation mark. Now, if you do win this kit here, actually, what you're getting is the archer animations, the basic motions, the custom mage animations, the dance animations, the melee warrior animations, the soldier animations, the throwing animations that Kev loves so much, and also the villager animations. More than 300 humanoid ready animations, different dummy models and prefabs, basic prop models and prefabs, includes different example scenes and prefabs. And if you want support, then contact Kevin don't contact me at support@keviniglesias.com. Only joking. It's support at keviniglesias.com. The support at enriqueiglesias.com.
Yeah.
I'm still sad that you're not related, but after hearing you sing, I believe you are actually related, and you're just pretending that you're not because you don't want to draw attention to that fact.
Why are you sad?
That you are actually Enrique Iglesias.
No way. Yes, imagine I am him. No.
You got bored of the fancy lifestyle and was like, you know,
I decided to go for Unity.
Exactly.
And make animations. Yeah. No.
That's exactly what it is.
No.
Or you're Enrique's younger, more attractive brother.
Well.
And like, well, I could sing, but it's more fun doing the animations for Unity. Right, we got 1 second left, Kev. Okay. Now, instead of a drum roll, could you? Because it's late, don't be too loud. Could you give me 3 seconds of singing to announce the winner, like say in Spanish, and the winner is like that in your lovely bass voice.
In Spanish.
Yeah, of course in Spanish.
Oh, okay. So, should I go?
Yes, please.
Y el ganador es.
Well, that wasn't really very singery. Come on, make it more musical.
I don't know how to. Y el ganador es.
Baroque Dub. Baroque Dub's won again. Oh my word! Well, Baroque Dub, I'm going to give you an option. Baroque Dub, you can either keep the Mega Animations pack or the Elementals Animations pack. I'm going to have to re-roll your Elementals.
I think the Mega is better.
Right, so Barak, do you want the Mega or do you want the Elementals? Tell me.
Maybe it redeemed
Okay,
already.
he's going to give the right. So we're gonna re-roll. So give me another, and the winner is in Spanish again.
Again.
Yeah, and the winner is.
And the winner is el ganador es. Oh my god.
Carme has won the Elementals. Carme's won the Elementals, and Barak Dub has won the big one. Congratulations. We've got 3 winners of 3 wonderful presents. Carme! Has Carme gone to the toilet? Carme, have you gone to the toilet? Carme, are you still there? Can I throw a blunder out? I already have the basic. Damn, I thought you've already got the basic animations. Damn. Okay, damn be cool. Which one don't you have, Damn? Damn be cool. Of Kevin's animations, which ones don't you have? Tell us now. You got 5 seconds to tell us, Kevin. Don't say Mega Animations Pack because you're going to get a slap. Which one of Kevin's animations do you not own? You do not own the monsters. Kevin, can I swap the basic motions for a monsters animation?
Yeah.
Because Dan says he already owns your Mega Animations Pack.
Yeah, of course. I give you the key for monsters via Discord. Or
There you go. So we're gonna. Dan V Cool has won the monsters. Monsters for Dan. Okay. And that's because he already owns your Mega Animations.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
So yeah.
Seems fair.
It is fair. Do not forget, though, everyone who's won, I expect to see a rating, right? When I click on Monsters Animations Pack, Dan V Cool, and I go to reviews, I expect you to have given a star. I'm not going to tell you what star to give. Oh, hang on. Animations look great. However, the giant which I want to use does not have root motion, making it useless to me. Hello, thank you for your review. If you apply root motion option is not enabled, the root motion version of the animation will be used. If you still need the root motion version, write to me.
That's something I reply to an actual review, or is some?
Yeah. That's your reply. That's your reply to his review. So, what are your average reviews? Do you get a lot of people giving you like 1 star? Doesn't come with a machine gun. You know, like do you get odd reviews coming to you?
Odd reviews.
Yeah, no, or generally are people nice when they review your stuff?
Yeah, generally people are really nice when they review me, and that's so I'm so grateful for that. Yeah. I think I'm lucky.
Pixel Shenanigans says it must be annoying when the reviewer doesn't know what they're doing. You're like, animations don't work on my
give me back my money.
Yeah, animations don't work. Give me back my money. Okay, can you give me back the animations? What do you mean? They're on my computer.
Yeah.
So, the thing is like, give me back my money. I've changed my mind. Go, okay. Give me your car. Like what? You changed your mind. You can't give it back. My review from Mega Animations 2 years ago. This animations have been incredibly useful. Then well, let's have a look. Dan V Cool has left you a review. Let's go and have a look. Let's see what the review. Let's have a look. If I can find the review that Dan V Cool has left, Kevin, and we'll give it a +1. I can say. 4 stars, great variety of animations. What do we have to do to get 5 stars, Andrew? There are a lot of animations in this pack, which I greatly appreciate. The only complaint I have is that the animation controller don't really make any sense. Oh, this is always a challenge because you're not buying the animation controller, you're buying the animations. Animations controller is always like a freebie just to show you a demo. It's very dangerous.
Yeah. I try to make the animation controller very simple because I think every game will have their different animation controllers depending on what game are you making.
Yeah,
it's something that it's very dependent of what kind of game are you making.
Yeah, you need to reply on that one. That was 21 days ago, Kevin.
I don't used to reply.
Don't worry. Give me your
reply.
account. Give me your username and password. I'll log in and I'll do the replies. Don't worry. Okay.
I used to reply the emails, the support, but not the reviews. I don't know why.
I was like, I'm gonna try and find the review from Dan V. Cool. Okay, there is 5 pages of reviews on here.
5 pages?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So there's a lot. There's Dan V. Cool's.
It's like I think reviews are more like other users. If you have a problem, write me an email for support.
No, people don't write emails for support. They use the reviews for support. That's what they're there for. So Dan V. Cool wrote, "This animations have been incredibly useful. The animations are not over the top, but they are not too basic either. They are just perfect."
And did I repeat on the review?
No, you didn't. That was 2 years ago, Kev. Right? 2 years ago.
I can reply now. Dan V. Cool, thank you very much for that review. So grateful.
There's a reason people don't write reviews anymore, because they don't get any replies back.
Maybe.
Why should they waste their time reviewing if they're not going to get a letter back in the post and a cake?
I think they are useful for other users.
They are. 1 star. Muchas gracias, Caballero. Con mucho gusto. There you go. My Spanish pronunciation is perfect.
Con mucho gusto.
I believe it's because some people have a player script. Explosive does that. Yeah, Explosive goes a bit over what you get normally. It's annoying in the Explosive animations. I have to go through and check only the animations. You just can't make everyone. Yeah, exactly. So it's either you've got too much or you've got too little. Exactly. I strip out all the scripts and controllers of my animation pack, says Yoden. Exactly, because if you want to put them in a controller, your character controller, then all those scripts and controllers are actually useless to you. So there you go. Kevin, you keep on being you, yeah? You keep on doing Kevin and don't worry about everyone else with their scripts and character controllers in there. Because you're doing great at it.
Thank you.
Kevin, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Have you had fun?
Yeah, of course, a lot. a lot.
Did you enjoy the scene fusion and the exploding invisible head?
Yeah, it was weird, but I think it's useful, this tool. Maybe when building a scene between more partners, I think it can be useful. It
is. You can have a lot of fun with it. You can have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Chat saying, awesome work, Kevin. Thanks for the interview. You're welcome, Pixel Shenanigans. And everyone in chat, thank you so much for coming in and talking with the incredibly beautiful, the golden-voiced Kevin Iglesias, who sang us a Renaissance song that was so sad it brought a tear to our eye. But do you know what isn't sad, but will make you smile and laugh with joy? That's right. It's Kevin Iglesias' assets on the Unity Asset Store. !Kevin in chat as an easy way if you can't spell Iglesias. Or I'm going to make a new one. !Kevin Smith as Kevin's. Or Kev Deck, as he will be streaming with his Steam Deck. But you might know him as
Maybe.
Kev Dev as well. He hasn't yet got a TikTok,
Not
but he
yet.
will be getting a tickety-tock. Kevin, are you gonna be on TikTok soon?
I don't think so.
Oh mate, do you know what? Don't waste your time on
Yes,
TikTok.
Kevin Churches,
Just
yes,
make more
Stella.
animations. Kevin Churches. Who's
Yes,
Kevin
like
Churches?
churches, Iglesias' churches.
Oh, there you go.
Iglesia Church. Yeah. It's this is a joke. Some friends of mine do to me.
That is brilliant. I did not know that. Now I know.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is brilliant. I've learned so much from you in just a short amount of time, Kevin. And if anyone wants to learn, was it CG Cookie? Did you say what's it called?
CG Cookie, yes.
There you go. If you want to be learning Blender and stuff, mate, come back on the stream anytime you want. You remember on the Discord. You're over here on the Twitch now. I expect to see you every day.
Okay. See you there. Thank you very much.
All right, buddy. You have a wonderful night.
Same. Good night to all. Thank you all. Bye.
If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now. And down below, there's that big juicy subscribe button. And right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.